Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a progress bar in Notion. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to create a progress bar in Notion. The first thing you like to do is to log into your Notion workspace, which of course I have done right here. Now the next thing to do is to open notion.so and log into your account, then navigate to your page or your database, which can be found at the left navigation panel. So you have to go to the page or the database where you want to create a progress bar, and that's pretty much what it is right here. So if you don't have a database, you're going to have to create one in your fresh page by selecting or by punching the backward slash punctuation, so backward slash table or backward slash board or backward slash list to add a new database view. So I'm currently here and I've set it to do. Of course, you have to use your table view so that you can add a new property. So of course, so that adding a property is not going to be a hassle for you. It's not going to be a hassle if you use the table view. And how do you change it, or how do you switch to table view? Click on the plus icon right at the top corner and just set it to table. So I'm currently in my table view and I can now add a new property here. So right here, open your database, which is here, and click on the add a property plus icon, which of course is done right here. So once you click on add a property, first off, I'm going to have to delete this one so that we can just go ahead and add the property from scratch. So click on this plus icon, which represents add a property. And over here, you're going to have to choose number. But I'm not going to choose number. You can choose number as a property type and name it progress or something similar. Or you might just want to choose select or multi-select if you want to categorize progress stage. Now that's the one I want to use. So I'm going to head over to, instead of multi-select, all right, instead of multi-select, I'm just going to choose this multi-select option and I'm head over to status. So the status should go ahead and create my progress stages or my progress bar. So I'm just going to change this to progress bar, and I have here not started, in progress, and done, which is my progress bar. Now you can go ahead and customize this, or even select delete if you want to delete it, or you can even group the progress. You can customize the color, and once you are done, just go ahead and exit this edit property. And now you're in progress bar. So if you click any of the columns, you can now select this, let's say in progress, and if you can go ahead and select it, you can say not started. So this is pretty much the progress bar. This is the step that you can take for the progress bar. Now you can use multi-select or not select and just manually categorize the progress stages, such as not started or in progress or completed, or you can just go ahead and use the status bar, which just makes it pretty much easier. Another way to do that is to add a formula property for the progress bar. Now, I'm not going to walk you through this process because it's quite complicated, but you can just go ahead and add a formula by clicking on this on add property. And once you click on add property, go ahead and select formula from the drop down. And once you click on formula, go ahead and name your formula to progress bar. And in the formula field, just enter a valid formula to generate the progress bar. And once you're done, that's just going to be it. So ensure that the progress property is a number representing the percentage of completion 0 to 100. That's if you're actually using the, of course, that's if you're using the formula option, but I'm currently not using the formula, so I'm not going to bore you with all of those. I'm just going to go X on this, and we're just going to work with this, which is pretty much easier and more self-explanatory. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you are done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.